short video, I'm going to show you how quickly I can create SharePoint page with step-by-step onboarding instructions. Let's imagine this is internal web portal. We need to guide our users how to fill some forms. First of all, let's enable our recording app. And then let's do what we usually do. Click. Fill with some data. Remove some secure information if you don't want to see it. Hold Alt and select important page areas. Okay, that's great. Buy me a coffee, please. Okay, we don't need this, we need navigate, blah 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 blah. Looks good. Stop. Go to our SharePoint portal. Just create new page. Copy our steps. Yep. And press CTRL+V to just paste what you copied. Edit what you want. And publish. That's it. Hope you enjoy.